Alright, y'all, so I'm making some quick chicken and steak fajitas. Right here, all I did was cut some onions, yellow, orange, green, and red bell pepper. Added some of this butter right here. And sauteing it. So it can get a little soft. I'm going to put some seasoning in it. Just a little bit. Let me see if I got it ready. Taco seasoning, if I can find it. Let me go find it. Found some, but this is not enough, so let me go find some more. Alright, I added a little bit more butter. So we can go ahead and cook some more, and I found one extra pack, so it's gonna have to work. These are the two things I'm cooking. Got them from Sam's Club, but they sell them at Walmart too. Could have been thawing out, but there we are. Got my little food helper. Hi, Zaire. What you doing? What you doing? Eating graham crackers. Metlin, stop. No, no, no. And I'm cooking this on low. See, that's like number 2. It's almost done. The onions a little bit longer. Y'all, this is really a big bag. This is half the size. So, we'll see. Alright, y'all, so again, these are the peppers and the onions, and this is how it turned out. And I ended up only doing steak because it was a big old pack, and my kids already ate over their cousin's house. So, this is the steak, and usually I mix the peppers in, but I'm going to be eating some of those peppers tonight with some rice I'm cooking. It's still cooking. But, so yeah, quick little easy meal. I used both of those packs of seasonings, taco seasonings, and then just put some water in there. I bought it literally, just kept on adding water until I got the little consistency I wanted. So I'm going to add some of this to some of the peppers and put on a soft tortilla for my baby, my boyfriend, and add some cheese, see what else he wants. And I'm gonna eat some peppers on some rice with sugar and butter.
Are you okay with that? Or? I mean, as long as it's professional. I mean, if that's what you have to do, that's what you have to do. But as long as it, you get your job done, do what you're supposed to do.